Opening scene, B-roll of the car before restoration. Background music fades in, close-up shots of rust, faded paint, worn-out interior, host, voiceover, or on-camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're bringing this classic beauty back to life. This car make and model has seen better days, but with some hard work, passion, and the right tools, we're going to restore it to its former glory. Let's dive right in. Segment 1. Initial inspection. B-roll of checking the engine, undercarriage, body panels, interior. Host. First things first, let's assess the damage. We've got some rust spots. The engine needs a serious tune-up, and the interior, well, let's just say it's seen better days, but nothing we can't handle. Segment 2. Stripping down the car. Time-lapse of removing panels, seats, dashboard, engine, etc. Host. Time to strip this car down. We're removing all the old damaged parts so we can work on each component separately. This is where patience pays off. Labeling everything and keeping track of bolts is crucial. Segment 3. Bodywork and paint. Footage of sanding, priming, painting the car body. Host. Now that we've got everything stripped, it's time to tackle the bodywork. We're sanding it down, fixing the dents, and getting it prepped for a fresh coat of paint. This part is all about precision. Smooth finishes make all the difference. Segment 4. Engine rebuild and mechanical fixes. Close-up shots of working on the engine, brakes, and suspension. Host. A good restoration isn't just about looks, it's got to run like a dream too. We're rebuilding the engine, fixing up the suspension, and making sure the brakes are in top shape. Segment 5. Interior restoration. Shots of reupholstering seats, installing a new dashboard, and detailing the interior. Host. Let's talk interior. We're installing fresh upholstery, a brand new dashboard, and polishing every detail to give this car the perfect finish. Segment 6. Final reveal. Dramatic shots of the fully restored car, slow-motion drive-by, engine revving. Host. And here it is, the fully restored car make and model. From rust bucket to roadworthy classic, this transformation was a challenge, but totally worth it. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible restorations. Closing scene, call to action. Host standing next to the restored car. Outro music fades in. Host. Thanks for watching. If you love classic car restorations, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next build. See you in the next video. End with social media handles, Patreon link, or teaser for the next episode.